in connection with the Thoothukudi case, as a 7-member CBI team headed by additional SP Shukla is going to Madurai to commence the probe into Satankulam custodial deaths of father and son duo Jairaj and Benix. Sanjeevi is picking up more details on the same. He's with us on the phone line. Over to you, Sanjeevi.
Well, the CBI has already filed an FIR in this matter yesterday, and officially we can say that CBI has started the investigation right now. Additional SP Shukla has headed a team, but the 7-member team is already on the way to Madurai, is what we have been told. And, the CBCID, who is already investigating the matter for last 1 week, will submit all the files because they've been, the report is already ready, is what we've been told. So the DSP of the CBI team, Anil Kumar, who is already investigating this matter, will submit the documents and the related evidences to the CBI team, is what we've been told. The CBI has officially taken the matter right now. Remember, 10 days back, last week, Tamil Nadu government has transferred the custodial death, Satankulam custodial death case to the CBI, and CBI has formed a team, the Delhi team has already filed an FIR in this matter without mentioning any names on this matter, and the investigation has begun right now, and the CBI has reached, and we can expect the CBI to investigate the police who are already in the judicial custody.
I also want to bring in Shravan Sen because Shravan, obviously, considering the massive outrage over the custodial death of Benix and Jairaj, and the way it was done, of all the allegations that were raised, and especially how the cops stayed on the defensive and tried a cover-up, but clearly the CCTV footage that put out the details. So now with the CBI stepping in, indeed a lot that could come out.
Well, in fact, Subhashi, let me just take it from where Sanjeevi has left with regards to the details of the investigation that has been carried out so far by the Central Bureau of Investigation. In fact, 2 cases have been re-registered by the Central Bureau of Investigation. A 7-member team, we are given to understand, has already landed in Tamil Nadu, and they would carry out this entire investigation. Now, first of all, they are essentially going to look into the circumstances of the arrest that took place, and thereafterwards also looking into whether at all there have been eyewitnesses in this case, and not to forget the CCTV footage, all of which now would be examined by the Central Bureau of Investigation. Now, the first step would certainly be the investigation that has been carried out by the local police, and a handover of the same would take place. After that, remember, the Central Bureau of Investigation would essentially call in the other people who have basically been involved in this entire probe, call them in for further questioning. It is going to be important to point out here that the role of the police in itself has basically come under the scanner of the Central Bureau of Investigation. They are certainly going to look into also the fact that how perhaps somebody suspended by local administration, they too perhaps may be called in for questioning by the CBI.
All right, Shravan and Sanjeevi, many thanks for getting us these details, and we come to you as the story develops further. And well, even as the nation are not